Certainly. Here's a detailed analysis of the Ford Pampa GL 4x4 1987. The Ford Pampa GL 4x4, introduced in 1987, is a unique and fascinating vehicle that combines the ruggedness of a pickup truck with the style and comfort of a passenger car. Produced by Ford do Brasil, the Pampa was based on the Ford Corcel 2 platform, sharing many components with this popular sedan. The 4x4 version of the Pampa stands out due to its off-road capabilities, making it a versatile vehicle for both urban and rural environments. Design and exterior. The design of the Ford Pampa GL 4x4 is a blend of practicality and aesthetic appeal. The front end features a distinctive grille and rectangular headlights that give it a robust yet stylish look. The body is characterized by clean lines and a practical layout, with a spacious cargo bed that can handle a variety of loads. The 4x4 version includes additional features like higher ground clearance and reinforced suspension, which enhance its off-road performance. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Ford Pampa GL 4x4 is powered by a 1.6-liter engine, which was quite common in the 1980s. This engine, although not extremely powerful, is known for its reliability and efficiency. It produces enough torque to handle light to moderate off-road conditions, making it suitable for agricultural use, construction sites, and other demanding environments. The 4x4 drivetrain is a key feature that sets this model apart from its 2WD counterparts. It provides improved traction and stability on rough terrains, making the Pampa GL 4x4 a true off-road vehicle. The manual transmission allows drivers to have better control over the vehicle, which is essential when navigating challenging landscapes. Interior and comfort. Inside, the Ford Pampa GL 4x4 offers a comfortable and functional cabin. The seats are designed to provide adequate support for long drives, and the interior layout is user-friendly. While it may not have the luxurious features found in modern vehicles, the Pampa's interior is practical and durable, with materials chosen for their longevity and ease of maintenance. Utility and practicality. One of the standout features of the Ford Pampa GL 4x4 is its utility. The cargo bed is spacious enough to carry various types of loads, from construction materials to agricultural products. The 4x4 capability further enhances its practicality, allowing it to perform well in environments where traditional 2WD pickups might struggle. Historical significance. The Ford Pampa GL 4x4 holds a special place in the history of Brazilian automotive industry. It represents a time when manufacturers were creating versatile and affordable vehicles to meet the diverse needs of the market. The Pampa was not just a vehicle, it was a workhorse that played a crucial role in the daily lives of many Brazilians, particularly in rural areas. Collectability and restoration. Today, the Ford Pampa GL 4x4 is considered a classic vehicle. Enthusiasts and collectors appreciate its unique blend of style, practicality, and off-road capability. Restoring a Pampa can be a rewarding project, as many original parts are still available, and the vehicle's simple mechanical design makes it relatively easy to work on. Conclusion. The Ford Pampa GL 4x4 1987 is more than just a pickup truck. It's a testament to Ford's ability to create vehicles that meet the specific needs of their markets. Its combination of rugged off-road capabilities, practical design, and historical significance make it a cherished classic today. Whether you're a collector, an off-road enthusiast, or someone who appreciates vintage vehicles, the Ford Pampa GL 4x4 is a model worth exploring.